Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about a Spark, Apache Spark, which prominently using ETL processing in Hadoop as well as cloud environment. So why we need a Spark at the first place? Why people are looking for a Spark? Over a period, people are using licensed, proprietary licensed ETL tools for processing data, and as the evolution of big data technologies with Hadoop. So initially started with a MapReduce, and to achieve MapReduce, people needs a programming language like Java and Python. And to make it easy, Facebook came up with a structured SQL language called Hive, where internally execute the MapReduce program. But later it found out the MapReduce program is good at some point of time, but we need a high performance and throughput, which is not able to achieve by using MapReduce, whereas it's taking long amount of time. And especially this MapReduce supports only the batch processing, whereas we have the requirement of business of ETL transformations requires a near real-time and real-time processing. So the alternate solution, they come up with a Spark where it was implemented everything on Scala, and it works on memory basis, in memory basis. What does that mean? Whatever process of the data you wanna do, it stores into memory and it executes the process whatever the actions you're gonna take. Spark predominantly works on the master slave architecture. What does that mean? Master slave architecture means Spark always there will be a driver, and the driver will takes care of execution of tasks. The tasks will be taken care of by the executors. All executors will be coordinated from the driver. So whenever when you execute one ETL transformation, ETL application by using a Spark, so the driver is the single point of contact where it divides a thing into the multiple tasks, and it will get into the executors. Executors are the one where it get into the nodes and it collects the data and takes care of doing the things. By using Spark ETL processing, we can do all SQL operations what we have to do with a large processing of the data. Whereas the advantage of the Spark, it not only supports Bash, it also supports a near real time, whereas the stream processing the data. So basically Spark comes with the two APIs, batch processing and stream processing. Here we're going to talk about the Spark batch processing. And Spark is Spark execution basically works on the DAG, acyclic graph, where any executor fails, it connects to the master node and it initiates another process where it can take care of execution. Spark basically had a basic data structure called RDD. What is RDD? It's immutable distributed collection of the data, and it had a fine grained control of the data, and requires a fine amount of development experience writing a thing into the RDD. Offers more control, but requires it involves more complexity. So in a little advance from RDD, they came up with a concept called data frame. Whereas in data frame, it's a structured data, everything stored as an organized column, and it provides a high level of abstraction. And data analysis, data analysis we can do with the normal SQL queries. It offers more convenience to the developers, but it has a less control. So the best of these two, like RDD and data frame, so in Spark, they came up with a thing called data set. It's a distributed collection of data with optional schema. Very easy to perform. It provides a more control, offers a balance of control and maintenance. Spark is the one which predominantly in big data environment which provides a high abstraction ETL processing. That's all from today. I will discuss more in coming videos.